today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your Wise app straight to a bank account. The process is simple, fast, and above all, secure. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wise app. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the central hub for all your transactions and activity on the app. Here, you will want to select the currency balance that you'd like to send money from. Wise offers multiple currency accounts, so be sure to choose the correct one that holds the currency you're sending. With the currency balance selected, it's time to enter the amount you want to send. Wise has a great feature where, as soon as you type in the amount, it instantly shows you what the recipient will receive. You'll also see the transfer fee and the estimated delivery time. This transparency helps you make informed decisions by knowing the exact cost up front. Now, it's time to choose your recipient. If you've sent money through Wise before, you can easily pick someone from your previous transactions. If not, or if you're sending money to someone new, you can add a new recipient. Wise offers flexibility here. You can send money to yourself, to another individual, or even to a business. When adding a new recipient, it's crucial to enter accurate bank details. This includes the recipient's full name, their account number, and if required, their bank name or SWIFT code. Taking the time to double check this information can save you from errors or delays in the transfer process. Once the recipient's details are secure, it's time to decide how you want to pay for the transfer. With Wise, you have options. You can pay using your Wise balance if you have funds there, or you can select a linked bank account or a debit card. Choose the method that works best for you. After you've confirmed these details, go ahead and submit the payment. Following the payment submission, Wise takes over to process the transfer. You'll receive a summary, which includes real-time tracking. This means you can follow your money's journey and always know exactly where it is, adding an extra layer of comfort and transparency to the whole process. And there you have it. You've just learned how to efficiently send money from your Wise app to a bank account. If you don't have a Wise account yet, there's a link in the description to sign up, and new users might even enjoy their first transfer fee-free. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.